Aunt Jamie, I'm so excited that you agreed to be on the show. Thousands of people have enjoyed your cookies here at the farm.
I think last week I made 38 dozen.
Oh my gosh, that
I was
must have been a
making them in
record.
my sleep.
I bet you were. Well, what's wonderful about the way you go about things is you're so methodical, and I think it's a recipe that anybody can follow. Do you mind walking us
Yes,
through it?
I'm happy to share. The first thing is 2 sticks of butter,
And that's just room temperature?
room temperature.
Yep.
It has to be softened. This summer I softened it outside, 20 minutes on the deck table,
I
and
bet
it was
that's all
ready.
it took was 20 minutes.
Okay, 1 cup of dark brown sugar. It can be light brown.
Yeah.
I really like the richness of the
It
of the
has
dark
a
brown.
slightly different
You want to
flavor.
add the white sugar,
Okay.
granulated
so the same
sugar.
amount of white granulated
Yes,
sugar. There
1
we go.
cup.
Okay.
And now I'll turn this on and let it cream. Anything that you do that has a high butter sugar content needs to cream thoroughly. If you're making pie crust or whatever, we add 1 cup of canola.
All right.
Hand me that large brown egg
Oh,
there.
yeah, from one of our girls.
Came from your farm.
Yeah. There we go.
And this is 1 teaspoon of real vanilla.
Mm-hmm, I can smell it.
I'm going to turn this off for just a second now.
All right, yeah. Now I want you to explain this because I think this is very clever.
This changed my attitude about making 38 dozen cookies a week. This is 4 ingredients: a half cup of coconut, a half cup of chopped pecans, a cup of oatmeal, and a cup of crushed cornflakes, all the stuff that makes them so crunchy. The whole cookie process goes much faster.
How's it looking over there?
Oh, I think it's ready now. I'll turn it off. These have to chill in the refrigerator for about an hour so that it's easy to work with.
Here's 1 batch already done.
Okay. I simply dip the fork into the water
And do a little cross
and
hatch.
press them sort of like we've always done with the peanut butter cookies. When they're flatter, they're crispier.
So Aunt Jamie, how many cookies will this recipe we just did, how many will we make?
It'll make 8 dozen
8,
or
right.
96.
That'll feed a lot of hungry people.
It will.
And so how long in the oven and at what temperature?
It at 350, it's about 18 minutes.
Every batch is a winner.
Good. I'm glad you like them.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.